What'd you get today?
So, we got our sheets of Lexan in because we like to do everything ourselves.
That's what you guys do.
See what the Lexan looks like. Oh shit, I broke this one. You're gonna be so sick for CAD. Yeah. If you didn't know that what that is, it's cardboard aided design. Yeah, they're shipping more than enough. Yeah, let me lay all the windows on here just so we're sure.
I could not do mine like that.
Or was that a nice marker, Steven?
Well, he doesn't leave it out of his sight.
Best marker in the world, I think. I'm surprised it's not more dusty.
Me too, honestly.
Yeah, it's impressive. It's cutting super nice.
Oh, it'll make it. It'll do it.
That cut really nicely.
Yeah.
It did. I was surprised. Yeah, it wasn't. Normally it's super dusty. But I mean, it is technically a little bit different stuff than. Nice.
It does feel pretty light too.
You guys have any fun facts about Lexan?
Fun facts?
Yeah.
Usually it's more dusty than this. This stuff's definitely dusty, but it's less dusty. Usually there's tons of white dust all over the floor, a big pile of it.
I brought my respirator because I thought we were gonna look like we were doing cocaine.
It's how it looked when I was doing mine.
When it was 5% tin, it had a little bit of visibility. This is literally
Look, we'll cut out the windshield and see what's up.
All you need to see is forward.
Exactly.
No, I.
You can see through it with the flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no fucking light.
Dude.
Mario.
There's no light.
I think it's not even tint. It's black. No,
This is probably what you ordered.
No, I mean it's what I ordered.
But
No, this is what we ordered. This is what the doctor ordered.
Should I just clean it up sort of where it's at right now?
Yeah, just round the edges, cut the back and the front nice, and let's see how too big it is.
that's what I would do, honestly.
You have a nice template to follow.
You know what too small is.
Yeah.
Don't go past there.
You know what I mean? Just cut this one nice.
And we kind of want it oversized.
Cut this one nice.
So eyeball it?
With your balls, yeah. Eyeball with your balls. That's also what creates the bow. Yeah, you leave it a little bit big so you can.
But we made it pretty good.
Little hair big. Yeah. Take these to the lines. The sides is what's making it go out. It's not, It's not this.
No, I know, but also we're overlapping.
Right.
I think I'm gonna go inside and trace out the flange so I know.
Oh, where the
metal
holes, yeah.
And then
Mark all your holes
mark
and
all
drill.
the holes and drill them.
And then
Trying to get figured out where all the holes are gonna be. That way we'll drill all the holes here. We'll start in the center and drill through the metal, rivet it, and then just follow all the holes all the way around, you know, from the center out. So they drill these out right now.
How many do you need?
30. Which, fuck, 100 might not even be enough.
So what's going on, everybody? Leave down below what you're building, what you've been working on in the comments.
We're gonna keep it big on the bottom and probably on the back. hopefully fill into this gap at least, and then, you know, this little sliver of silver, just paint black or something.
Yeah, keep the top tight, keep the side tight.
And then,
go a little long, big
yeah.
swoop. Leave the bottom long. Maybe not crazy long.
I just want to tuck into this little thing. But,
the Chanel.
Yeah.
There's the Chanel there. What happens?
Honestly,
what happens if you tuck back into it right now? What's the rest of the one to do?
Press harder? Oh, if I took back, well.
I don't see it wants to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
The thing is, we gotta.
Yeah,
for
I'm not
sure
really looking at the front right now. I just wanted to see what the tucking back into it would do by itself.
Yeah, it's almost. But if we follow this top line for sure, then
The top
we
line.
can.
Okay.
We
So
can.
hold
We
it tight.
tuck. Yeah, so hold it tight.
Yeah, Nick's pissed.
Why is he pissed?
What do you think? Nope.
Something to do with you.
Something to do with you.
Oh, because the wrapping all close?
Because the wrap. Nick, where you been lately, dude? Where you been, bro? You washed my car today. Killed it. Holes drilled and pulling the plastic off, riveting in, away from being done.
It's like super close to fitting, and then this one will just trace and flip over for that side. So, like, the most time-consuming ones are going to be those big ones. But yeah, it needs a little bit of fit. Actually, I mean, it's sitting in there.
And I don't know if you've ever looked at this, but it's a mirror.
Yeah, mistakes may have been made. Assume that they didn't mean black. So they just went black.
That's why I was scared to buy black.
Oh yeah? You didn't tell me?
I didn't say nothing. It was bad faith, but... Not bad. Is that the mark? Is that the one I did, or did you do it again?
I've been hitting it a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit of a gap up here.
I think it just needs some sanding and sucked in.
Yeah, comes. It seems like if you do the whole top and then just work your way down and around, it wouldn't hurt either.
We can do it. We can do it. Hey, you want to do it? And Beezy's been keeping me all clean, dude. Trying to maintain my tooling box.
They keep popping out.
They do. Is like right on the verge of being too thick of a unit. They don't get big enough to grab very well.
I'm like scared. We gotta take cover.
Bam!
Like that.
I have to remake that trunk.
What are you doing?
I'm just prepping the surface for a little black. Little scuff.
Mario's on the other side, doing his thing.
I don't know how I made this one worse, but that side fits. So I'm just making sure this one fits. Because then I can move on to tracing that one. And then once we got all this scuffed up, we can shoot a little bit of paint on it.
Now how's this one gonna go in?
I mean, it just slides in the rails. Normally, like the glass one, like, you can literally just shove it in here, but
Oh, okay.
I might have made it a little bit too thick. See how it's like. In theory, I should be able to just push it all the way up, but. Projectiles flying.
Oh, it's making fresh.
It's like a mirror.
Oh yeah. That should look pretty dope on the car.
All right. There's one more side, right? No, not yet. Oh, when it's on the car. They know what they're doing.
Come on, Jesus Blanco.
That's me. There's an option.
We gotta tuck it in the trunk.
And then tuck the top left corner in.
Yeah. Here, I'll like fold it in. Oh, I thought I was in. There it goes. I mean, I guess you could start with the holes.
These windows are what they install inside the room when you're being interrogated by the police. So that you can't see it out on the other side.
Yeah, so I can see from the inside.
Yeah, so just because it looks like you can't see in, he can see perfectly fine out. for anyone that's worried about them or anything, you know.
I think we're just gonna have to send it and have the rivets do the work.
These rivets are baller too.
Or actually, okay, it's far away right here because there's a thing, but if you go back here,
Better?
should be better, yeah.
Yeah, because there's a thing. We go past the thing. It should be better. Sorry. I didn't mean to alarm you guys. You guys notice the steady your hand behind the camera at all? I wonder what it might be.
Oh snap.
It's black.
Crackle and fall. Yeah.
It's on everyone.
Yeah, it's a mirror. So happy. As long as you can see me in front, we good. In that tree. See me in the tree. Dude, I can see.
Yeah.
Can you though?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good, right?
Looks good in there. This is the limo tint they talk about in the video games.
Presidential team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pay extra for this and Need for Speed.
This thing's bulletproof now. We'll shoot it. Jesus Christ, how much paint did y'all use?
Too much.
Well,
It's just because I was.
coat I went like I
because-
super ghosted and changed just like.
It was very direct.
Shane, the fuck.
It was very direct, but we had to be direct so we didn't get the overspray.
Shane is the worst spray painter. I've ever
No,
seen.
I'm good.
Well, yeah, technically.
Nick is gonna be so pumped for this, dude. I've never seen such a sick back window ever.
Well, it's been naked.
It's been naked. One man could change the world. I hope you guys really enjoy that, and so like, comment, subscribe, download. Stay tuned as always. This is GoofyBuilt and Mario kicking butt with Amber. Peace out.